Today we'll dive into the world of cutting-edge technologies and innovative approaches that are shaping the future of our industry. Ready to learn about the latest trends and unique solutions that are already changing the face of modern construction and design? Then welcome to our exciting journey. The construction industry is constantly evolving with new methods and technologies resulting in processes that are more efficient, faster, and environmentally friendly. In this video, we take a look at some of the most innovative developments that are already changing the face of construction and helping businesses reach new heights in their operations. In the world of modern construction, a unique block system called Ecomet has emerged as an innovative approach to creating durable and aesthetically pleasing structures. The extraordinary similarity of the appearance of these blocks to the famous Lego constructors does not go unnoticed, but their natural stone and concrete make these blocks not only attractive, but also functional. Ecomet blocks have standard sizes: length 19.7, 39.4, and 78.7 inches, height 11.8 and 19.7 inches. Working with them is so easy that the laying process can be done at a speed of up to 107.6 square feet per hour. Standard sizes and easy installation make Ecomet ideal for retaining walls and other structures. Let's move on to things that are closer to everyday people. Styropor MultiTape is a one-sided adhesive tape, which the manufacturer describes rather modestly. However, it then gives facts that are quite impressive. This innovative tape is relevant in a wide thermal range from -58 to +122 degrees Fahrenheit and also has high adhesion, capable of providing reliable fixation on metal and concrete surfaces, as well as on plywood. It is also resistant to ultraviolet radiation, microorganisms, and precipitation. The tape can be welded using hot air. Its effective combination with membrane materials makes it ideal for construction applications. The extreme lightness and compactness of this innovative product make it easy to transport and store. A roll 65.6 feet long and 1.64 feet wide weighs only 33 pounds. LiftBuild technology offers a unique method of construction, thanks to which a house can be assembled like a construction kit. On the example of the construction of a 16-story apartment building in Detroit, you can see how successfully this technology was applied. This area was characterized by high building around the construction site, which was adjacent to a busy street, and nearby was an overground subway. Using traditional cranes was unsafe and inconvenient in this environment. This is where LiftBuild's technology was of undeniable help. Each floor was assembled on the ground around 2 concrete piers and then lifted upwards on 8 cable jacks, providing lifting speeds of up to 9 meters per hour. This was made possible by an innovative approach that shortened construction time. However, the cost of this project was about $64 million, although the construction period did not exceed 1 year. Did you know that nets are great not only for storing vegetables, but also for use in construction? If you take fine mesh nets and fill them with a mixture of 70% sand and 30% clay, it will produce ready-made building blocks. This method of construction was called HyperAdobe and is a development of another similar technology called SuperAdobe. SuperAdobe used bags instead of nets and used barbed wire to bind the layers together. However, HyperAdobe is authored by Brazilian developers, while SuperAdobe is considered an Iranian development. Such construction methods represent a significant contribution to the field of environmentally friendly and efficient use of building materials. Let's take a look at RoofSmart PS blocks, which solve several problems at once. First, they improve the safety of traveling on pitched roofs. Secondly, due to their design, they are highly corrosion resistant. The size of one RoofSmart PS unit is 40 by 24 inches and its weight is about 11 pounds. They can withstand loads from 200 to 300 pounds and are relevant at any roof pitch and for any material from tiles to corrugated board. However, their service life is disappointing, as each block is designed for about 4-5 years. In addition, their price is immodest. A set of 3 blocks costs $500. But despite the high cost, RoofSmart PS blocks make up for their price through durability and reliability, making them an excellent option for ensuring the safety and longevity of your home's roof. Incredibly, in 2013, the budget for a new sewer system in Germany was calculated to be around $600 billion. This was a record amount for infrastructure projects in the country. It is because of this that Germany is placing a lot of emphasis on technologies that can help repair and improve pipelines quickly. One such technology is the internal pipe renovation method, which allows new pipes to be installed inside old ones without the use of trenches. This process is based on the use of a flexible sleeve of fiberglass fabric reinforced with plastic, which is filled with old pipe, and then inflated with compressed air and frozen with the help of ultraviolet lamps. It should be noted that the developers of this technology have already applied it to more than 4.3 million miles of pipelines. BASF is a world leader in the chemical industry, and accordingly, its developments are impressive. For example, Styropor was invented in the company more than half a century ago. This material has excellent thermal insulation, high compressive strength, low weight, and resistance to moisture. Thanks to these properties, Styropor is widely used for the construction of energy-efficient houses. From a technical point of view, Styropor is a type of foam. It is just as light and efficient. To give you a clear example, in Turkey, this material is the only one that allows you to build houses in any region of the country without the need for additional thermal insulation. Have you ever seen anything like it? Just look at the balconies that have been installed on a new construction project located next to the famous English Wembley Stadium. They are called GlideOn Balcony. This company's balconies are about twice as light as conventional models and are attached using special anchors that are 3 times stronger than their competitors. In addition, GlideOn balconies are delivered to the installation site already assembled, which speeds up the installation process. The balconies are also easy to fix on the first try and are not prone to warping. It is important to note that one of the installation records for these balconies is the installation of 62 pieces in one day. Catching up with the balconies already assembled, Alico demonstrated their efficiency in modular construction by adding an entire floor to one of their buildings over the weekend. This floor consists of 9 modules and includes 15 new offices, a kitchen, and a bathroom. The modules can also be used for a variety of purposes, including operating units. The speed of erecting modular buildings is 70% faster than traditional construction methods. The modules arrive at the construction site ready to go. Even the interior finishing is provided in advance. This significantly reduces the time and effort of the builders. Because of Alho's long production capacity, around 12,000 modules are produced per year, which guarantees availability at all times. This mounting plate is made of fiberglass reinforced plastic, representing the first such solution on the market. Thanks to its special design, the plate is resistant to torsion, typical of its metal counterparts. It is also lightweight and has excellent corrosion resistance. Such plates are usually used for pipe connections to wash basins, shower cabins, and bathtubs. The pipes themselves have also been improved. Now they are suitable for both technical and drinking water. These pipes are made of metal plastic and are fully permeable to oxygen, making them ideal for heating systems. The pipes are complemented by innovative fittings made of a durable and hygienic material that is not afraid of high temperatures. These fittings are also widely used for medical purposes. Repairing roads, building bridges, and laying new power lines, these and other tasks often require soil reinforcement, which in turn is of great importance for various branches of construction and engineering. Among the popular methods of soil reinforcement, soil nails are widely used. Their installation involves drilling holes with a diameter of 4 to 10 inches. The soil nails are then placed in the center of each hole, and the remaining space is filled with concrete. Micropiles are also used to reinforce the ground, a stronger option that is great for landslide control. Both soil nails and micropiles allow you to work quickly while ensuring high quality. Compared to some other soil stabilization methods, they cost a quarter of the price. If you combine the pros of paving tiles and the ease of installing some flooring, you get an innovative system called Pave and Go. It is designed for use in private homes and offices as well as on pedestrian streets. Pave and Go elements are installed without glue and without the need for heavy physical work, so even one worker can easily improve an area of up to 269 square feet in just 1 hour. In addition, installation is noise, debris, and dust-free. The thickness of the tiles varies from 0.7 to 1.1 inches, and the materials have been selected taking into account the intensive pedestrian load. In case of damage or breakage, Pave and Go elements can be easily replaced with new ones without the need for complex repair work. It is worth paying attention to a rather fascinating variant of the Micropile Foundation. It is claimed that it is possible to install 6-8 piers in just 1 hour. Incredible speed, isn't it? Also interesting is the principle of installation, described as simply pushing the tubes into the ground. The manufacturer claims that in almost 100% of cases, the foundation perfectly tolerates frost heaving, which makes it suitable for both sandy and clay soils, taking into account the recommended density values. In addition, an important aspect is that there is no need for excavation, no cleanup due to mountains of debris, and no long wait for concrete to set. An entertaining coincidence. The University of Queensland Library, Sydney's Guy Park, and the 15-story Emirates House office building have a few things in common. One of them is the location of all the facilities in Australia. But what will interest us more is that stone clip fasteners were used in the renovation of all these buildings. These fasteners make it easy to install slabs made of a variety of materials and are highly reliable. It is noteworthy that one time stone clip was used to fix a piece of granite weighing about 992 pounds. And during the renovation of Emirates House, they came in handy for fixing marble slabs measuring approximately 3 feet 3 inches by 3 feet 11 inches. In conclusion, we would like to emphasize that construction tools and technologies play a key role in the development of the industry, as they allow us to reduce resource consumption, optimize construction processes, and increase the energy efficiency of facilities. With the constant introduction of new methods and technologies, processes are becoming more precise and safer, which contributes to improving the quality of construction, as well as preserving the environment and improving the quality of life. It is important to stay up to date with the latest innovations and be prepared for change in order to successfully compete and create sustainable and innovative projects. The future of the construction industry is in innovation, and it is our job to keep up with these changes and put them into practice to reach new heights in our professional endeavors. Don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter and hit the notification button so you don't miss our next journey. As always, thanks for watching, and stay inquisitive and stay informed. Until next time, friends.